Hello, welcome back. You've got Scott here from Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Today we're going to unbox and do a little testing on our new video light. Stay tuned. If you're returning, welcome back. If this is your first time here, we normally do, right now, downsizing videos. We live in Okinawa, Japan, so we're downsizing our house. We are leaving Okinawa on or about August 31st. We go back to the United States. We are buying a truck and an RV, and we are going to full-time RV. So that's what you can look forward to on our channel. If you are not subscribed, we ask that you subscribe now and give us a like if you like the content. That really helps our channel out. Also, you're going to want to stay tuned to the end to see a preview of our next video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We just got a new video light in the mail from Amazon. We will put the link in the description down below, so if you like this video, think this might work out for you, go down there and click on our link, please. So we got the Ulanzi Select VL49. Alright, it's in a pretty decent little box here. You can see it's the box maybe only about 4 inches wide or so. So let's see what we got. Vlog Master Plan, Facebook. Alright. Here's the light. Here's the charger. It charges with USB-C. So if you have any USB-Cs, you already have a charger that will work, but a charger does come in the box. And now the light. Alright. Oh, also in the box is the instruction manual. Okay. So you can see we got this pretty small light. It's maybe 2.5 inch square. What I liked about this light was it's got a shoe on the bottom, so it will actually go onto the camera that I'm using right now. And then it has place on each side and on the top where you can place the other thing. So right now my plan is to put this on our camera and then to put on the top of the light the microphone. Also in the link down below, if you want to see the microphone and or the camera that we use, it'll all be in the description. All right, so let's see how we turn this thing on. So on the back here, it's got 3 buttons and then an on-off switch, and also on the back is where you charge it with the USB. So I'll just take it to on. All right, there it goes. It's on now, and then it's got up arrows. So it'll go up in increments to 5 different settings. It also has a button on the back that says M, and that takes it all the way to the max. So you can see how light, how bright it does get. That's maximum intensity. Well, that's off. So there we go. Alright. To test this light out, what I'm going to do is put it on the camera setup that I have now. We're going to make it a little bit darker in here. I'm going to show you what it looks like without the light on, and then I'm going to turn the light on and give you guys a view of how well the light actually works when it's going through your camera. Stick with me and we'll do that right now. Here we have what my camera is seeing now. I went ahead and shut the blinds that were over here giving me the good light earlier. So this is what it looks like with no lighting on at all now. Just the camera without the new video light. So I'll go ahead and turn the video light on now to step 1. And we'll see the difference. The video light is on step 1, step 2, step 3, and that's maxed out at step 4. So you can see as we go through the steps, Each step obviously getting brighter really brightened it up in here. Looks a lot better, especially than it did without the light on at all. So I would probably say this light is pretty good to go. This is the first time I'm filming with it, so we're finding this out together, but I am noticing that it's very bright. So as I'm looking at it, it's kind of bright. Maybe I'll get used to it after I use it for a little while, I'm hoping. Another thing I forgot to mention when I was unboxing it, it does have on the bottom the 1/4 inch thread, so you could put it into a tripod. So if I wanted to, I could put it over here or over here instead of attach it directly to the camera body itself. Also, I noticed when I have the Video Micro by Rode, when I attached that to the top, the cord wasn't quite long enough, so it made the microphone actually point up. Not straight up, but it pointed it up at a pretty good angle. So all I did was I put it over to the side, and I put the microphone on the side into that shoe that was there. I'll get a shot of what the camera looks like now after I have the light on it and the microphone on to that as well. There it is, all set up. You put the light into the cold shoe, and I had to put the microphone into the side cold shoe of the actual light itself. Pretty compact, not bad. And then also the dead cat would go on there, and it looks like it would be out of the way. And today we're going to unbox our new video light. Alright, today's something... Nope, not alright. If you're still here, thanks for... If you're still here, thanks for staying to the end. And it appears that you like this content. So we'd ask you to go down below, hit the subscribe button, give us a good thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you liked or maybe what you didn't like about the video. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye.
It was so hard to do this room, y'all. Harry is even going to miss my scraps, as you can see.
Here we are in our daughter Sarah's old room. This was basically the command center for the top floor downsizing.
And here I have this lovely carnivore glass that used to belong to my nana. I'm going to actually take this on the road with us so that at Christmas time I can have a nice cup of Christmas punch, a glass of water, or some lemonade or eggnog. Just keep the holiday spirit.